Hello everyone, welcome to Dominican Chefgro. Dnes butuh pasit kinote borov kube Kenneth Leakey. So I already have 2 videos of Kenneth Leakey. The link of one of them will be here. And the ingredients we're gonna use today are semi-coarse flour, curd, milk, blueberries, powdered sugar, yeast, 1 egg, salt, and sugar. So this we're gonna start adding whole flours we have, then we add a little bit salt, then we add a little bit sugar, and then you mix it all of it, but you have to be nice mixed. And after you finish to mix and make a hole in the middle, you have to add the yeast, and then you add a little bit more sugar and milk. And after you add this, you have to make a rest for 20 or 15 minutes. After 20 minutes, you add the egg you have, and then you mix. But make sure your mix is really good mixed, okay? To start to mix this, you can start with a fork, with a spoon, or whatever, and you can even use your hand to have it well done. And then when you're already finished, just have to cover it and give a rest for 30 minutes in a warm place. Meanwhile, these 30 minutes are running, I will start to prepare my blueberry sauce, we can say. So here is the blueberry, the curd, and we add a little bit powdered sugar. And the rest of the process is easy because you just have to mix so nice, like you have to make nice mixed and try to scratch all blueberries. I mean, you don't have to be all of them, but at least try to scratch a lot of them to get nice color, like purple, like light purple color on this blueberry sauce. And if you think it's not liquid enough, you can add milk. Add a little bit milk, and don't worry, it will be good anyways. And after you get the consistency you like or the consistency you want, you just have to put it somewhere to rest, or you can put it in the fridge if you want, wherever, and start to prepare the rest of the ingredients. After 30 minutes, you just have to take something, add some semi-coarse flours, and take out your dough. And here is time to start to knead the dough. And then, like when you finish to knead it, you just have to make a roll with the dough, and then you start cut. Like this amount I have here is to make 3 dumplings. And when you finish, you will get something like that. You have to cut on 3 parts, and then you can start to prepare your dumplings. Look, on this part here, I will add a little bit more flour, and then I will take one of them. I will press. You have to press them to make it like flat or thin, whatever you want to say. And you can add blueberries inside, and make sure it's completely sealed, because I don't think you want to see which disaster will be when it start boiling if one of those dumplings open on this container and start boiling. And once again, make sure it's completely sealed. And then make this process with all of them, and everything is gonna be okay when you start boiling them. And after you finish all of them, we just have to start to boiling them in hot water, boiling water, really boiling water, for 3 minutes on one side and then 3 minutes more with another side. And look what you will get after 6 minutes. Boiling dumplings. Looks so nice. And you will see when I open it then now. Now it's done. So we have to take the creamy blueberry sauce we already made and add every you want. Don't worry, this is for you. You will eat it. Add a lot. Don't worry about. After you finish to add the amount you want to add in your dumplings, you can add some blueberries on it, and then you can put a peppermint leaf, and then it's done. You can eat it. And on this part, when I cut it, you will see why is the creamy blueberry sauce. Look, when you take some part of this, you smear it with a creamy blueberry sauce, then you eat it, and you will explode of atomic bomb of taste and flavors in your mouth. And then you will say, "Oh, Dominican Chefgro, thanks for recipe, blah blah blah." So guys, thanks for watching video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, and if you're not subscribed yet, so welcome to Dominican Chefgro, and see you on next video.